Here we are, tortillas on the Workhorse 1975. Right on the cowboy grill, but without the grill. So here we really wanted to get this discada super hot because that thing is really thick. So I poured on some oil here once it got screaming hot and just poured all the marinated meat in all at once. And of course you can see it just really is super hot. It's steaming and smoking there. And I think the key here really is that again, you've got to have a good fire going to get that thing heated up. That way none of the meat really boils. It really does fry there in the pan. So one of the things that we noticed during the cook was that even though we were cooking over a live fire here, and you've got the side door open and you've got the FireBox door open and you've got all this fire and all this smoke, a fair amount of that smoke was actually being drawn up into the smoker, exiting out through the chimney. And that was actually quite pleasant, considering that normally when you're cooking over a fire pit you kind of get all the smoke, of course depending upon the way the wind blows. So we actually thought that was quite interesting and a positive actually, so just something to point out.